歡迎各位，今日嘅旅程，我哋將會飛到去全新嘅香港史達大樓。修復擋風玻璃，啟動燃反應能源器。
Stand by, the launch door has malfunctioned.
發射門棘住咗，發射集衝擊光炮。打爛咗道門，唔好意思。大樓呢座高科技建築物嘅運作能源嚟自史達先生所發明最強勁嘅燃反應能源器。呢個燃反應能源器可以立即接駁閉路電視。
What's up, buddy? I'm busy here at the expo, hanging with my people.
史達先生 ，Hydra 想偷走大樓嘅燃反應能源器。
Okay, fine. Wait, what? Hydra wants my arc reactor? Get out of there, Jarvis. I'm on my way.
收到，即刻返去科技展。唔該晒，史達先生。飛行反應器如果燃反應能源器俾 Hydra 搶走
I know, Hydra can't get the arc reactor. Get out of here. Nice work. Let's get you back to the expo.
大家唔使驚，我哋一齊㗎。
Hey, miss me?
史達先生。
1, 2, 3. Get on, Jarvis. Blast them. Good job.
感應器顯示所有機械人已被毀滅。
All robots destroyed?
史特先生小心！
I am really... Go, go, go! Nice Ultron stuff. Okay, we need to take this thing out. Jarvis, how are we going to take this thing out?
我哋需要增強火力，
More firepower? Time to unwrap the toys.
啟動所有無人駕駛鐵甲號。史特先生，
Ladies and gentlemen, the Air Force has arrived. Let's go. Stay close to me. I'll keep you safe. Okay. Fire!
我發現咗佢嘅弱點。
You found its weakness? Well, shoot that! Go, go, go! Hi, how are you? Enjoying the tour? Hey.
所有乘客安全無恙。
Jarvis, those aren't just guests. They're heroes. Thank you so much. Uh-oh.
系統
Yeah, your power's failing. Shoot me the gravity cables.
釋放鋼纜。
Okay, now let's get all of you back to the expo.
史特先生，我哋就嚟到晒啦。
Don't worry, Jarvis. I got you. Sort of.
你最好快手啲。
Yeah, okay, good. We're almost there, buddy. Hold on. Jarvis, detach the cables. Welcome back. We saved the arc reactor. I couldn't have done it without you. No, dummy. Don't even... Yeah, okay, that's it. I'm turning you into a coin press machine. Hey, Wendy!
請帶齊你嘅隨身物品，喺右手邊離開。